So, today's topic is you are the driving force of your achievements. Like, we need to have a force that can push or pull us towards something that we want to achieve that we call achievements. So, what is the driving force that will drive us towards our achievements? It is none other than we or me. Now, we understand this fact that we are the driving force towards our achievement. We know this, but what will happen if we know this fact? Let us try to see what can happen. Means the force is not external, it is internal. It is not an object. The force would not be an object, an achievement, or a desire, or anything else. Means that we want to accomplish this thing, that we want to do this thing. Nothing is like that an external thing will make you achieve the thing that you want. It is you. You are only the driving force. So if you know this, now what good can happen? Let us try to see. It is only the work, and work has to be done by us. And so we are only the driving force. Let us relate this thing in our daily lives. Let us try to be more practical. We want something to happen. Okay, we want that we would do our work that we want. Now, what will drive us? We think of an external thing, or we think of something that can drive us. Now, nothing is there that can drive us. The only thing is you. You are the driving force. But you need something, because force needs something. Means a force acts. Force is a pull or push to something, but it will act with an external stimuli. Here, the external stimuli is our thoughts. There has to be some kind of thoughts that will make us, as a force, that will make us in a form of force that will drive us towards our achievement. So our thoughts should be something like that. Our thoughts should not be complicated. I repeat, our thoughts should not be complicated. Means we have to achieve this, then that, our mindset should be like this, like that. Leave everything. Focus only on one thing that will make you successful for sure. Means successful, not, I won't be saying successful, but I would be saying means you would be satisfied. You won't be satisfied, but you will become that person that you can earn as much as you need, or as much as your needs are there. You can earn that much. It's only you don't have to get trapped in the thoughts, like listening to many things, watching many things, how people have succeeded, how was their mindset, how was that person's mindset, combining everything, and then you are acting. Means first of all, you will be trapped in thoughts only. So you should focus only on one thing. It is hard work. I repeat again, you might go against me, or you might also go towards in favor of me. Both are not right. Means first of all, you have to do hard work, then only you will be able to do a particular work, and then only you will better know yourself, that what I am, what is my interest. That will only come upon your mind when you do something. You will have more knowledge of yourself, and then only you will be able to discover your interest. First thing is hard work. You have to keep this mind again and again. You have to work continuously. Then only you will succeed, because without work you can't succeed. And to work, you have to keep your thoughts clear. And clarity of thought, it should not be so much of thoughts that you have to make one. For one thought, you are acquiring so many thoughts, so many books, so many speakers. Then you have to make one thought. Don't go for that. You will be trapped in thoughts only. You have to focus only on one thought which is connected to a one word. It is hard work. So start your hard work right now. Then only you will be able to start your work, because starting a work is only the first step, and that only we want to achieve, because that will only drive us, make us that force towards our achievement. Thank you.